What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford Edge Smart Key remote fob. This Ford Edge key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2450, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab the key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down and we take a look at the bottom of it, you can see there's this notch right here. So what I'm going to do is use this key to pop this back cover off. I'm going to take my key and put it in that notch. Make sure it's all the way in there, push it in, and then I'm just going to kind of angle it up like that and push up on the back cover. And they don't always come off that easy, especially if they've never been off before. But once you get that off, we can see our battery right here. Now I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver or something similar, and if you look right here, you can see there's this little bit of a cutout in the battery holder. You can get something in, get it under the battery and pop out of that holder. Now I'll grab the new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. And you can see this holder is like a circle shaped, but right here it's got kind of a flatter side on the edge. So that's the edge you want to tuck in first. So tuck that outer edge in like that. Snap it down into place. And then we'll put our back cover on. And if you notice on this back cover on the top of it, there's that little tab right there. You're going to kind of put your back cover like this and slide that tab into place like that. And then snap that down. Slide the emergency key in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.